Guys, here welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this application called DesDes. Okay, I'm going to be sharing my honest opinion about this app. This is a new audio app that is rewarding users for performing activities on the platform. Okay, and this is what you're going to find on this video. You're going to find out how to perform your tasks. You are going to find out what you need to do before you perform your tasks. And if you're this type of person that is always love to create agency in different app, we are going to find out how to create your own agency or how to join your agency in this application. Okay, this is what you are going to find on this video, and how to withdraw. I'm going to make sure everything is down on this video. Okay, just make sure you pay attention as I'm going to be proceeding. But before I proceed, disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not sponsored by this app. Okay, this video is based on my personal experience and what I do. Okay, you are free to do your own research before investing your time or adding your money in this live streaming app. I'm just sharing what I do, and I'm sharing this video based on my personal experience and what I found on app. And I am not a financial advice, and this video you're watching is not a financial advice. Do your own research before downloading this application. Okay, anything I do is what I share on my platform. Carry your own research very well before downloading. Okay, right now I'm going to show you how to. I've already signed up on this application. I'm going to show you how you can actually complete your profile picture. Okay, you need to go ahead and complete your photo by selecting your country. Already my country has already popped up, though it's not my country, it's what I based. Okay, you're going to see invitation code. You can actually add my invitation code down. Okay, you're going to select whether you are male or female. Of course, male and female can actually do this app because it's an audio app. Okay, it's not live streaming. Okay, right now you're going to be seeing how the interface of this app look. For the first time I signed up on this application, I thought maybe I'm the only one that signed up on this application, but trust me, a lot of people have filled up on this app. Okay, so when you sign in, they're going to ask you, you see new user benefit. You're going to see avatar frame, speech bundle, games pass. Okay, you're going to be seeing this, and do not skip this particular game. Okay, you see this ocean hunt game, do not skip it at all, because my luck and your luck are not the same thing. You might get something, I might not get something when I spin it. Okay, what I'm trying to say that my luck and your luck might not be the same thing. Okay, I might get something and you might not get. I might not get, and you might get something. Okay, I'm gonna be covering this ocean hunt game for security reason. Okay, so all you need to do is to spin it. Okay, do not skip it at all. Okay, after that you're going to be seeing how the interface look. The interface look beautiful. This is actually my first time seeing this particular app on the platform. Like, I was surprised that I'm seeing Ghana, Nigeria, Ethiopia, different country, different Asia, European. Like, I've seen a lot of people here. Okay, I was like, okay, maybe this app is not new. Maybe it's the time that is available in my region. Okay, I was okay. Let me just continue the journey, right? Okay, you can see this is my profile picture. You're going to see that my profile is already standard, which I'm going to be editing my profile by adding my name and also creating my agency or join an agency. You're going to find everything on this video. Okay, that's why I tell you, say you need to pay attention on this. Do not skip any part of this video so that you not miss something. Okay, so right now I'm going to see my nickname. I'm going to add me. As you can see, my gender is female, my date of birth, and my country is going to be selected automatically. I don't have to change anything again. Okay, so if you select a country, no more changing it again. Now, first I need to do is for you to do your face verification. You see this face verification. If you are not done with your face verification, do not proceed to do tax. Even though safe, if you does not even do face verification, you can't perform tax. You are going to be seeing that once you log in, they're going to give you 50k coins, as you can see on my screen. And before you can redeem this particular coins, you need at least 1 million coins before you will redeem it down. Okay, so you can see the one that you're going to be using to play game or do some activities on this app. Okay, so but before you can make use of it, you need at least 1 million coins, as you can see on my screen. Okay, you can see with $1 with a $5 with this is what you're going to be doing here. Okay, right now you're going to see face verification. You see this particular face verification, you need to do it you need to do it. If it does not do it, do not proceed to do anything. Right now, you're going to see my agency. If you click on agency, it's going to bring you to this interface where they're going to ask you my agency, join an agency, create an agency. You need to create an agency, which I'm going to be creating it on this video. I wanted to not skip this part because this is the question I keep on getting every day. Faith, you does not show us how to create agency. Why you don't always skip it? Okay, I decided to show it here so that you will understand how to do that. Okay, or once you click on create an agency, your ID is going to pop up automatically. Then they're going to ask you your WhatsApp number, your family name. The family name is actually your agency name. The name you want to answer for agency. You're going to see country. Okay, you need to go ahead and select your country, which my country is already selected automatically. I don't have to change it again because it has select automatic. I don't have to change it again. You're going to see select an official admin. You're going to go ahead and select any admin you feel like is okay. Just select anyone. I think they're true. Let's make sure you select anyone, then you click submit. Okay, we are just going to wait for them to approve our agency. Okay, we are just going to wait. Okay, I keep on waiting for them to approve me so that I will know that I have become an agency, so that you not be like I'm just signing what I don't know. Okay, so right now you're gonna see your family application have been approved. As you can see, your family application have been approved. You can now go to my invite host to join your family. Okay, so now our agency has been ready. Like right now, my agency is already ready. Okay, and this is how you're gonna do yours. Okay, so you can see agency, seller, verification, and everything. Seller is that if you're an agency and they want to sell coins, though I don't know much about some coin seller because this is my first time joining here and I'm not willing to sell coins. I'm just here to do my activities on this app and withdraw my money and go. Okay, this is my first time um seeing this application. Okay, like I said before, this is not a paid advert. I'm doing this because this is actually my side hustle. Okay, so right now you're going to see a verification. Like I said before, it's very very important before you proceed to join party. Finish this verification first. Note, if you don't finish this verification, you cannot be able to do anything on this app. It's very important. Okay, note that. Now I have done with my face verification. I tried it 5 times before I was accepted here. I can't lie. Right now you're gonna see that my verification have been accepted. You can see a verification. Okay, complete your verification and get higher. You can see that it was already verified. If your profile are not like this, just make sure you finish it up. Make sure your status is like this. If your status are not like this, my dear, go back and know what you do about it, and also make sure you contact their support so that they will know what they will do about it. Okay, now you can see that after you have done everything correctly, this is where you're going to be seeing your tax. You can see open mic for 1 hour is 12K. Open mic for 1 hour is 70K. That is what you're going to be receiving to 2 hours is actually 82,000 points, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and you have other, I think, 3,000 where you're going to be receiving if you join other people's mic, right? So, and this is how you're going to be doing your tax. Okay, I'm going to be making everything very sharp on this video. Okay, so and this is how you're going to be performing your tax. You need to come over to where you see your tax. Okay, when you see your tax, now you see go. Now you can see go, then click on go, then you will go. Okay, if you go, it's going to bring you to this interface where you're going to be joining your party, your own room. Okay, perform your tax on your own. Maybe you want to do other activities like the one you at 3,000. You can actually go ahead and do it. Okay, maybe it's a new app and updates can change. Updates may change. Like if you upload this video and something may change on this app. Okay, always make sure maybe you came across this video, maybe say 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Check my comment section to know if there is any update on this app. Even if you come across this video in 3 days time, check my comment section to know if there is any update on this app so that you know made any new app update is changing every day, and I might not know when updates will change because I am not the developer of the app. Okay, I'm just sharing because I'm doing it. Okay, maybe you reach the minimum of withdrawal and you want to withdraw. All you need to do is for you to click on the withdrawal. If you click on the withdrawal, you're gonna see that here you're gonna see withdrawal. If you click on withdrawal, they're going to ask you account settings, you're going to click on add. Okay, if you click on add, it's going to bring you to this center. Your IDs, they go to automatically pop up. You can see Philippines, Nigeria, Ethiopia, Benin, Togo, a lot of country, Kenya, Uganda, Turkey, like all the countries available on this application. Okay, so and if your country is not your country payment method, like your own country is not here, all you need to do for select any country you like and actually use ePay to withdraw your money or use any currency you feel like you have and withdraw. Maybe you are from Nigeria or you are from any other country and you don't have all these payment methods you are seeing on my screen like this. I want you to go and watch. I have created ePay here on my channel. Learn how to create ePay account. Okay, if you are from Nigeria or any country and you don't have ePay, ePay is very important to have because if you withdraw from ePay, it's going to come as dollar and you're going to be withdrawing it to your local bank. It's very important. That's just why I share it to my platform when I'm creating my own so that it will be easier for you. So that if you look at my tutorial, it will help you to navigate how you can actually create yours. Okay, so if you does not have watch this video, go ahead and watch it. Learn how to create it. It's very, very simple to create and it's gonna help you a lot. It will help you a lot, okay? And there is something I found on this app when I log in. When I log in for the first time, creating my account, I wanted to log back to before my tax and it started saying error, error. You know, it's a new app and you can experience the same thing. That's why I'm saying it, okay? Because anything I do is what I share on my platform. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts, okay? Bye.